Langol si kasu tau di na Langol si santi phangen aina aigi Facebook da thagaluba aduga ai operation theater jangre imong no pina marak si phone tawre kaino thagali si loire si koki na loina iraktan loire koi si I didn't know that you are so communal Langol santi were ai di anab lakna wain hairine aduga moi tan thoga santi phange harine na adom sakrabado adi khudak ta muthalle bi yamna sensitive oiba issue ne ai koina khalhauda bai tar these are very very important koi lai batonga to community lai mina koina ngangi ba sai ba action myam si yamna maru oi akoi gi lai ba situation si dati curfew sa Manipur da curfew thambada khwai dei yang re Langol ne aduna moina nungdang khudingi khabar si lauthokpada lamsang dagi na sija bhaw curfew lamsang dagi sija bhaw curfew aina sija do hapi ranu hairan sija da curfew leite ba Langol lamkhai habi aina dc dai wari du soknei sija gi matang da aina haiba taragadi yes ai samak si plastic surgeon ni and amarom da ai si traveling plastic surgeon haiba su yare I travel 56 times to Nagaland, Arunachal, Tripura, Mizoram, and Myanmar. 56 times. I enjoy. I do angang oring ide su koi adventures idum pamak pai tare. Akoi na thengna basi yam ja se thengna re Myanmar sa pamakta da. And more than 1,000 operation free of cost koi tau re. Sima aina yamna aingonda nungai jaba phau pasima ai hapsabani ado khatana na koina base hospital adi as a smile train partner surgeon akoi America gi smile train haina NGO am lai di makada more than 5,000 cleft lip and palate operation koina free da tawjahi basi yamna nungai phawi aduga akoi gi hospital si clinic oin horopani kanau makar di khamgirang mani khangdam siaram bayai clinic amada migi clinic amada koi nappaga horopani doctor boni ngasi ju lakpiri maga igana mono practice sai tare pharmacy megi manung da sangaga akoina ana yeng bahon lipa kun kun lorga horopada lupa lising trap na hogdu e habitai akoina isam chama khuju khulai khara tor maina operation tokna ba tamna sum chokhulakpani adagi sahi om leraga rim stot lakre rim stot a lot of other inconveniences block home lere across the road lip laite asi mayam sina maram weraga inconvenience mayam dun maram weraga akoi Langol honge Langol it has become a super specialty hospital and after the corona we had the opportunity to establish a medical college kind of the India da Dr. Yamwatpa, Niti Ayona, NMC da Dr. Masing Henganaba, College Linkalalu, Hanagi, Tam and condition to cut Lahel one hyper. At the Hana 20 acre land, 10 acre Yana, window Mutani Pirize, Housikim 20 acre, Quimatam da Quintin Kapatam da Tarakan High, at the Maintona, at the 250 bedded Laragadiana, I quite synchronized over Haidare, at the rims and genims, at the equator faculty mayams in the Loina Yawia, Nabi Khudongsa, Pang Badana. We established the first homegrown private medical college in the entire northern India for the first time. Adoga Maduna 11 months akoy permission phangi. It is akoy jasu amna nungai, akoy jasu ngai, kaino da flow ni. It was a synchronicity in the spiritual term. Almai tauraga hokibani koi medical college, laibadana nursing college, paramedical institute, adum lai. We strongly feel that any organization should be a teaching organization, or for that matter, any successful organization should be a teaching organization. Learning silepiyade. We learn a lot today, right from the very beginning. Aduga aina plastic surgery national conference da Shija mission Myanmar yamna aigonda yamna close to my heart akoina yamna nungaina chatluba 3 times aduga 339 operation torpa amukna cleft lip na palate amukna keyhole surgery amukna cataract ki maduda wahori ba kholori ba adi khoina chatpa matam de ising chawrakna lekhom marta adagi yoguda buji 3 times sang ko halakpada yada dana sindin ribeda harapasi masi ai wari leave ne ada wari leave sida matam khara henjan grab jani ai oja karun agarwal sina loira kan da ingon hai Dr. Palin Mahabharat se minit manga da leave ya bane ai am sang do roi 40 years of healing sigi journey si koi matam yam lobi ya roi ka sigi session si da koi cover to bong amboy aduga koi gi 40 years of healing hadaki tarik ahum juda July ki tai ahum da koi 40 years sugi bani it is 40 years of passion to system akoi na hor pada dribugo chatna ba sing do kari gi jali piles ki othogi nungi ado atai loin to khraga piles ki chalapu da koi surgeon am oiram ni na nungai ta phawi why they don't trust us why we don't have the infrastructure ado akoina madai da akoina khulai khara ahen ba khara tamba ai de debo de lai ta khulai me am hapsalaga adamai ta rasu hogi bani ana subconscious mind si da akoina Manipur da pusalak pa ya basi lai ta basi pusalak pa ya basi am lai gre na tradi mapa da dum sakani na adum chalai ne ado hojik Shija hospital si to a great extent akoi mapan da sat pasi akoi to hangre ai tare sat padi lepoi lepsu leptri hojik su but we have been able to stop many patients matam da head injury si salini mau da siraga halakini aduga numit manga tarong ni lega operation to bai se every second brain ki cells millions of cells sieba numit manga ri lega operation to botum the brain du sira ne ba adu lifelong vegetative living the lei doi ne ba adu time ama yam maru oibna inak te legadabni khut ama kakhi matam dai ne paisa yam pairaga su pai bi yaroi within 6 hours i chelan tamne adu mayam si loina mak koina to a great extent koi ngamme adu loide habadina te koi the facility like tama mayam lady aduga it is a medical revolution and struggle 40 years of innovation adaptation resilience akoi ngare da tui akoi risk low and high do entrepreneur risk low is koi risk yam low e risk low si kaya rak hana tui kaya rak na hogali ai kayam toina tuge se Dr. Boni khangmani mayam nadi khangoe mayam nadi amna ai di kenom khalam ngani dubu manung da turi se masi koi we have to experiment masi toy soidrabani adu kiradi akoi kanita thaw on the pipe ngamroi aduna honari bani adu tong na turbulent environment sida akoi growth like na ba growth tong na ba honai kaino the growth yaudragadi there will be no solution growth is only solution jaujisu Manipur si growth of matam da hari problem me si solve to hine ba unemployment gi hairo tonga to innovation gi growth adi art and science sisu loina chakolakani hauji USA na chakolisi moi entrepreneur yam bagi ne ba art science ta sports ta akoi je ai si tournament ama Japan cha tore adu ge sana bhara leiti he si laen adu khoi pina mi si am leiti ana sports akholan ba arts akholan ba si entrepreneur mayam am leraga well si create to rakanda di hari ba mayam si sponsor to usung ngam doine ba aduna sigi si am baru oi aduga khoi hoji si hospital am leijare Shija hospital Shija Academy of Health Sciences 150 students in technique Shija Academy of Nursing Paramedical Institute Shija Eye Care Foundation naina tongan ai gi damta specific hoina Shija oxygen plant PPP morning Shija blood bank blood center PPP mota any sina funding toraga aduga common biomedical waste management ai Supreme Court na ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯣꯁꯄꯤꯇꯥꯜꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯄꯣꯂꯨꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯣꯏꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡꯗ ꯁꯣꯛꯀꯗꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯆꯈꯥꯏꯔꯣꯏꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯁꯨꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯝ ꯀꯣꯔꯠꯀꯤ ꯏꯟ ꯗ ꯂꯦꯠ 90s ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯑꯞꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯗ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯇꯅ ꯑꯜꯇꯤꯃꯦꯠꯂꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯅ ꯂꯝ ꯄꯤꯔꯒ 2 acres ꯂꯝꯗꯦꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯟꯇꯔꯗꯒꯤ 50% ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗꯒꯤ 25% ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ 25% ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯑꯒ we have started this common biomedical waste management ꯃꯁꯤ entire Imphal and around I cover tawri 75 kilometer radius ta more than 400 centers including veterinary dental ki khangte hospital mayam si adugi kaino sima yahudragadi license pi da bane hojik se aduga post graduate hogiba kokhiba mayam am leire aduga atopa mana akoina sahi nifu sida akoini medical science ki akoina honaba yaba honare medical tourism mapan da satpagi maram se masida akoina develop tawna baine yam kan honadana we have developed various other facilities like kidney transplant cornea transplant kidney gidi any center in northern India akoina highest number 118 tawre aduga disease organ donation si ram daida koi organ lawba tawsi Manipur na ihan hali adagi blood group si manada basi kidney transplant tawsi northern India da koi Manipur koi na season hali and now also we are doing the highest number of dialysis Canada Manipur da yamna sigi kidney ki problem ado da transplant over da kidam khong sa da ba donor laita ba adu number maraga maintenance dialysis tawsi akoi yamna chawna tawri probably highest in the northern India again aduga liver transplant ki koi ko kaino si phange permission se phange infertility treatment koi bizari cardiac science joint replacement interventional radiology spine surgery cosmetic surgery dental eye care cancer reconstruction pain management sima nakanda thamgrasi koi technical oiba mayam su yawi aina mayam da ngasi budding entrepreneurs sing da hiring basa akoi gi thosi pass ka future ga ni ko ada akoina tofom khangdra kanda hojik laiba entrepreneur young entrepreneur sing da laisi kai dogdagi sine ai haisi loindi sumamoi kham khadi sumni ai si tofom khangdre kai dogdagi si aduna laine tofom khangdaba karimta wakhan yaudraba si matam sida mioi bagi creativity si yang wange you are open you have the option pass ka future ga ani ge character le bise backend am laine ba empty space ida lebe matam sida di you have the liberty to create new ideas innovation tongna bagi tanja ayam ba phang basu sida ni diving to gumba shower gumba adigi kayuma ma yamna kaimna togdoba kanda ne phangisi aduna karimta togdaba kari toge da khang kai togada ge na khang daba matam se this is the most important time for creativity you have the opportunity sima ai hainingi aduga problem di amna thengnai akoi Manipur gi strike dor bai tare corona na 2020 da strike da ba akoi sisa hospital is about to close corona na bam le da na ba tai la roi and we have 1,600 caregivers howji like 1,600 ni organization masa mayam si daroga adu akoi moi salary pina ba sha lekte adu akoi corona hospital ontore covid hospital government ga ngangna raga we had the highest number of covid bed we had the highest number of covid ICU we treated the highest number of covid patients ado adumai tawraga akoi gi caregivers mayam si maintain tawraga aduga akoi si sihogdi so adaptation is intelligence akoi na madu tok tana corona ni yengroi mayam hoga chengradi season je hojik leram de sai adu corona na maram oiraga medical college linkhal ine and a Chinese proverb am lai dai in the midst of crisis there is an always opportunity crisis kuding makta opportunity laini we had all the inconveniences required for success inconveniences say to a positive mind it is an opportunity Shima akoina always yengada ba aduga 2023 gi May gi tarik ahum mayam su kauroi tarik sidang haibada nu khangani sigi matungda akoi sija da thengnagi base ai kitang haijauge mayam na khangam da bayai Langul se khwaidagi the other community labor mafam ne in the quarter in their own houses 1015 houses and the maximum violence that I talk. We received several patients and curfew se Manipur da curfew thambada quite a young Langol ne aduna moina nungdang khudingi khabar si lauthokpada lamsang dagi na sija bhaw curfew lamsang dagi sija bhaw curfew aina sija dhapi ranu haran sija da curfew laite ba langol langkhai heavy aina dc dai wari du songnai langol aduna curfew tawre lanju sokna da dai hanna re sunna re ana se nong da try thui khak lai ana ba try thui la kamai tawna 1600 si kamai tawna koina survive taw de no lakpaki anabadi lairana koi staff sing baw mayum da haire kedo wisali no kidran imung manung thing bi yaw abne that was the situation and kitang tha anihum lera ganda kitang safare adu kibidu di dum leiri ada koina adai da free si hogi bani free opd free consult entry barriers se adu moi si kini lai free ne duga at least 500 600 di kalani lakum matam sida side di kesu tok dina na moina la kan da di experience le kan da di irang si torom dre moina kiri duga percep tori duga dai music pra khenare ba adagi moina kesu tok de amai toraga tamna koi recover tongna bo corner pane and one point of time this is a very serious issue langol si kasu tok di na langol si santi phange na aina agi Facebook da thagaluba aduga ai operation theater jangre imong no pina marak si phone tawre kaino thagali si loire si koki na loina iraktan loire koi si I didn't know that you are so communal langol Santi were I did anab lakna in hiding Aduga Moina Moitan Toga Santi Pangi Harinena Adom Sacrabado. Ade Kutuk the Mutalevi Yamna sensitive weba issue. I quite a Kaloda Vita. These are very, very important. Okay, like but on the community living in a Kongang, was say action man, see Yam Marue. A quickie lady but situations that I might not quite survive the way. Natural calamity akwai thengna khare ising chawa lambi da landslide tawba ado akwai se amorom da we have to embrace the uncertainty kari torkada ge khangda base machine en phare khanga gadi wab se hele so we have to embrace entrepreneur oina na kari torkada ge khangda ba ado oinungbo oirasanu I get a home talk with them talk shape. Aduga, Yamasawa challenge a Makwagi, Dr. W. Technology, I take the healthcare, affordable excellence in healthcare. Healthcare is life. Life is Kai Sigi moment like trainer. Freshless. Sigi life say we are in the business of dealing with life. Aduda akoina compromise to so yate. Kwaidagi phaba protocol soida ngam da ba Sigi the Makta Tonga protocol, Sigi the guideline, Mayam like NABA, JCI, NABL, Mayam Lady, which are costly. Adoga main powers and Kataya, the Bakujukla, Hendaya, the Pashadi Henba. Ado Somna Kandana, Aquagi, later Vanina, affordable, affordable Damnina, home the palmy. Home the Honavana. Adoga quality Wang of Honavase, so Chilism. Oeva. Aquena Zamzamna, community health kit of Nate, our city, super specialty, and tertiary care. Tongamba liver haro kidney transplant tawriba heart ki operation tawkada khulak maipsi loina arugo pot ngak sei da compromise taw ya dabnina sima khoi yam chauna darkar lei aduga yamna investment intensive oiba investment intensive oiba masai mayama bank ki kari mayama panbi khare yamna phajai halakpa ngamgadra Pashasi, Piba Gamgadra, Adoga my idea do, Pazabra Kosabra Mayama. Ultimately, yes, interesting in it, the Wodabu Pira Putragadi, Loin Mangduini. Aduna, Sigisida, Quay Manipur, Northern India as such, Kitang NPA Yamba Male, Adugi, no Itaba Mayam, Dr. W. High Referees Labada, no Maholde, Ngai Koli, Quena Lonamadi Logi, Hanbase. Loan see 2 lakhs kini Banamaga OT table light surgical instrument loan nobody adu koina rims of the kanda. It took almost 1 year. 2 lakhs loan about. And now we are taking loan, probably the biggest loan in the northern India in the private sector for medical college project. Aduma koina tobunga me matam do koi land Quay Maduda mortgage town of a lane yam late, Ado Hoji, Aquena, Kara, Aquibada, Aqueta with the mortgage, and other later. Ado like Reduga. Atedi Todopa, hiding a late, the Sembadi, Manipurzi, Amna Koi Nungai Zabani, location gi, Amna in a preset of Jaba, Manipurgi, Tonga Gun, Adagi, hospitality, nurse ki, doctor gi. Adoga Southeast Asia da yamna koi connect tawna bhona ba I koi see about to be allotted 2.2 acres of land in the ICP manungda asomda home ministry dagi dorokna koi Myanmar gi ana wase dai ri yengaga adom hangibe aba no need for visa karoda within 14 kilometers sangthok changhin yabanina Ado Usinna Sina Shahodre Irabantagitiama Hana Sazelodana Hotel do Tawibani Ado Yamna Nuxina Quegi Southeast Asia connect Tonova Aquasi interface ni India Aga Southeast Asia connect of business ki Aquena epicenter Tai Quali having a single man can another Fondazaramane do Hojiti Oidri Sa Oidro Habidinati. We can connect with Bangladesh also. Bangladesh connect to Gekalaga Bangladesh, Iran, Mutorim. Ado Tausun Kesukai Parakani, there is always healing. Life see, privacy, healing. Time is a great healer. Quick man, time is a great healer. Time makes up the ladies so now. Time is a great healer. So in the hill Tarokani, Hosika can name the rest with Yarakani and Kali. Ado Hosik infrastructure, Daka Laiba, Copa Mayam, like Reduga. Lastly, I know Quagi young entrepreneurs in the Kangde, Queen Harishina, Kanaka Kangde. I already mentioned we had all the inconveniences required for success. Inconveniences are required for success. No, no, problem may say, see opportunity never. Light of a sisu in a convey opportunity layer. You have the opportunity. Set was up Khongjom say abundance ki opportunity lay. Aduna ultimately Aquina Nainaruraga Kanaruraga Hari Poti I know Kaliba ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯎꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯚꯤꯖꯨꯋꯦꯂꯥꯏꯖ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯨꯡꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯎꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯦ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯑꯦꯕ visualization will be materialized happening. And let us focus on what we want, not on what we don't want. Akwai pambadu wena khanseba, pamdabadu khalloiseba. Kaino da akwai oheningisi apambadu ne. Ada apamba akwai pamba phajaba phabado madu khanbadu yam chaw challenge ne. Adu kadani challenge noigi challenge aduni. Because we have 30 to 40,000 thoughts per day. There is a traffic jam. We don't know what we are thinking. We don't know how we are feeling. Adudadi ay kari pamge si khangdre. Hauji shu hangbada kari pamge hangbada hayeng hairake haibasi yam yaurkani. Masi nataba hauji di khangdre na. Ado wakhan masing handan biu. Reduction of thoughts to the stage of no thought, but still aware. Awareness among the without any judgment. Judgment say later vida. Entrepreneur should not be judgmental. Judgmental is ego yauda bahaitare. Ego si the religion su ego ni do, sagai su ego, country su ego ni do, jat bijat nari ko ni loi ego ni. Akoi polo the game yau bunate. Dharma na khanhal is 60% of the wars world aduna maram uhele. Avoid all this ego. Try to be in the present moment. Present moment you have accepted what it is. How do you say accept or never? Natragadi ego yarogadi, you will be waiting for the next moment till you die. And this is the moment between two thoughts. You can create new ideas, innovation, everything. So let us try to reduce the number of thoughts through the process of meditation. Meditation is reduction of thought to the state of no thought, still aware but no judgment. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Adong phajagre sar ki journey of Shija si adong mote emotional se oi mayam tabire dana je 10,000 dagi hawdoki badana what Shija is all about. Hospital nikhale na makhat lakwa journey mayam se masi tabire